Hello YouTubers, this is Dan again with Kerosene heater. I just wanted to show how powerful this thing is. Okay, I got some saute pan and a cup. So I'm making some tea here. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna do some sausage, some scallions, and some eggs, and we'll make a perfect omelet. We're gonna mix this up and the breakfast is ready. I'm a little bit clumsy here, but it's okay for the first try. Never broadcasted myself, so please like the video if you liked it. And you see, this is cooking. This is actually cooking. This thing is not designed for cooking, but it does both. Right now it heats up the main level of the house and the attic, and also cooks. So if the kerosene was cheap, this heater would be ideal for any home because it's so damn efficient.